Combination is a selection of items from a set of items, where the order of the items find the number of combination of n items chosen at a time. You can use this formula, where n is the total number of items, r is the number of items you choose. Quotation mark denotes factorial, which is the product of all positive integers up to that numbers. For example, to calculate the number of ways to choose 3 items from a set of 5 items. Fundamental counting techniques. The fundamental counting techniques, also known as the multiplication of principle of the rule or product. The formula for the fundamental counting technique is m times n times p times k, where m is the number of choices for the first event, n is the number of choices for the second event, p is the number of choices for the third event, k is the number of choices for the last event. This formula is used to calculate the total numbers of possible outcomes where there are multiple events or choices. But if there are 3 choices for event A, 4 choices for event B, and 2 choices for event C, the total number of possible outcomes would be 3 times 4 times 2 is equals to 24.
Permutation. Permutation has 3 distinct branches, those being linear, circular, and distinguishable permutation. Permutation is the arrangement of objects in a specific order. The formula for calculating the number of permutations of n objects taken at a time is p quantity n r equals n factorial over quantity of n minus r factorial, where p quantity of n r is the number of permutations, n is the total number of objects, r is the number of objects being chosen, and quotation mark denotes the factorial function. For example, p permutation quantity of 6 4 equals 6 factorial over quantity of 6 minus 4 factorial. The answer for this example is 360.